Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we're going to look at a 2010 Forest River Georgetown 341DS. This is a double slide out Class A. And it's on the it has a V10 Triton. It's on that Super Duty chassis, probably the F53. And we're going to give this a pretty good look. Full interior, exterior look, see what it has to offer. And see what kind of condition it's in. Now this coach just got on our lot. It has not been cleaned. We have not done any checkups on it yet, so you're going to see it exactly how it came in. So let's start with the exterior compartments. So on the driver's side, we're going to look straight at the tires. Let's see, 2816 on the date code. It's coming up on 7 years old. And then we are looking at 245 70R 19 and a half. See right behind there, you do have a little hydraulic jack. 29.3 capacity on your propane tank. Now you got one slide on the driver's side. You have two slides total on this. They're both in the galley. No slides in the bedroom. Decent sized storage there. It is a decal coach. You will see some of the decals are starting to fade. Not necessarily peeling, but they are definitely fading and discoloring. We got the back of the fridge, the furnace, your water heater right there, your auxiliary outdoor shower, a couple city water connections, and of course your dump station has its own bay right here, which is nice. It's a dirty job right there. 50 amp power service here in this just massive kind of storage compartment. It's a 3 different access to the storage. See, you got some extra storage down below too. pen, max trailer weight 16,000 pounds is what it says. Now that's not a standard hitch that you get from the factory. Probably got to keep an eye on what the gross vehicle weight rating of this coach is and then tow accordingly. Let's go jump up on the roof. You can see a backup camera up there too. All right, it is a double AC system. See a couple max vent force covers, a local TV antenna, your shower skylight, and then the caps seem to be in pretty good condition. Caulking's not all brittle and hard. All right, and then we got your passenger side. That's the other side of that storage. There's the other slide out. And yes, things like seals, we will be replacing seals. Doing actually a full pre-delivery inspection, a full safety check on it. All the stuff you'd expect from a dealer. These are going to be hard to see in the sun. 2 just standard storage compartments. And you got a battery compartment. My God, that's harder to see too. All right, let's jump inside. Your awning is manual awning. We do have some decent wind today, so I didn't want to put it out just in case. Now, right when we walk in, this is what you see. You are greeted with the couch. Bedroom all the way down there, your other slide for the dinette, entry door. All right, so up front, look at the mileage, 22,655. Very nice. Backup camera, generator, if you can see that, 371 hours. Your heat, your controls, CD player, electronic leveling. To unzip the old jacket here, it's getting toasty. Do have 3 overhead storage compartments, and then one on the left side, and then 2 like little side railings right there. Your seats, as usual with these older coaches, you got a lot of the peeling going on. As you can see, it's pretty bad on the driver's seat. That's why they got the seat covers. These seat covers also pretty worn. Passenger seat. Cover is in better condition. Seat is in better condition, but still pretty tattered. Little barrel chair right there, just right at the entry. Some more storage up here, and then above the entry door, got some storage. Now your battery disconnect and some light controls are right there, right when you walk into the right. Your first slide out goes from there all the way down to right there. It is your couch, and of course the kitchen. Couch is a little bit different. Has a little pattern on the cushion. It looks good. It is a pull out. And you do have a little bit, I saw a little bit right there, some on the pillow frame a little bit, and then on the other armrest. Overhead storages, gotta fix that handle, all connected. And then a decent sized kitchen, decent amount of counter space. This little extension with these nice deep drawers. Some storage there, and then we got your Magic Chef microwave. Fix that tray in there. Dual bay sink, both the same size, both about that big. Under the sink, there's some more storage. You're probably wondering where that drawer is. Well, we got it right here, and a new set of rails for it. So just got to put it in. That's the kitchen, nothing too crazy besides, of course, the refrigerator. Here's my printouts on this for $42,995. Here's your just standard features, options, popular options that some of the models come with. This is a 341DS. All right. So on the passenger side, the slide is the dinette. There to there. All it does is house the dinette in here. This will turn into another sleeper. Similar storages like above the couch. And then just to the right of the dinette, little, I don't know, breakfast bar, nook area. Perfect for a Keurig or Instant Pot or something like that. So that's the kitchen. Now making our way to the hallway. To the left, we do have slide controls, water heater, and water pump, and level testers. To the right, thermostat, Dometic, fridge and freezer. And then there is some storage right there. We'll get to it in a second. But first, the bathroom, plastic toilet right there. Decent amount of storage. Oh, hello. Storage, fan, AC vent, and then the shower, glass door shower. Not sure what size that pan is. And then the actual shower head is right there. No medicine cabinet behind that. And then of course, it's a little tight, but here is, oh, I didn't even open this earlier, extra pantry storage. There's a release right there. It's very nice. And then, yeah, I was gonna say there should be extra kind of wardrobe space in here with a couple drawers. All right, now making our way back into the bedroom in the rear of the coach. It is a queen bed. And you got wardrobe left, overhead storage, wardrobe right. Obviously right is bigger. Does not have a side table though, but does have the two drawers. Left side does have power, USB, and a little side table. Front corner is an area where you would mount a TV. It's a small TV. But you do have the connections on the wall right there too. Also another thermostat in here and a door. And then back into the galley. So let me put these slides in really quick, give you a quick peek with those. And here we are. Slides are in, both your front slides up here. Nothing really changes in this hallway. And the bathroom stays the same, bedroom stays the same. So overall, honestly, quite still usable. Completely closed up, literally everything. Just a little bit tighter in the galley area. Come on, stairs. Of course. Oh man, I forgot to shut the compartments. I'll be right back. Did also forget to show under the hood. So good thing I forgot to shut those compartments. All right. Well, I just spent 5 minutes trying to shut the hood. I couldn't get it. But here it is with all the slides closed in, all the compartments shut, minus those damn stairs and the hood. If you have any questions about this coach or any questions in general about RVs, I will put all my contact info in the description box and hopefully on the screen. Shoot me a text, shoot me an email, and let me know how I can help. And if you enjoy these walkthroughs, consider subscribing. I do a whole bunch of them. We get a lot of used RVs here, so I see a lot of different makes, models, and floor plans, and I want to show the public like you. So I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day.